Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my mp3008. Here it is, or 3008? Not sure. Yep, so this is made from my old stand gun that I made before. So you can also check that video out. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So yeah. So first you need a square sheet of paper like so, and you want to start out with a 8x8 grid. So you want to fold it in half like so. You want to unfold that, then you want to fold the other side in half. Okay, then you want to unfold that, then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times. Okay, so first like this, and again like so. Okay, so do that for the rest of the sides. Okay, and lastly this side as well. Okay, and now you want to fold this up like a fan. Okay, fold it down like that, and follow the crease line and fold it all the way down. Okay, like so. So it's now a little fan. Okay, and now you want to make the fan going the other direction now. Okay, so make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, and you see that first crease line right there? You want to fold that first crease line up, and then fold up the corners like so. Then you want to fold that second crease line right there. Okay, then fold the corners. Then now you see that third crease line right there. You want to fold that third crease line down. Then you want to fold down the corners. Okay, and now you see that 2 squares right there. Those are 2 corners, so you can just fold them down like so. Okay, and now you want to open up the middle part. That's where this corner is. So if you look on the bottom, it's that corner. This is the middle. Okay, fold out that corner and open up the middle like that. Okay, and now you want to take the right side. So if it's like this, it's the left side, and you want to fold that out like that. Okay, and now you see that triangle right there on top. You want to fold in that triangle. Okay, so you see that crease line, so open this pocket and kind of fold that in. And same thing here, you see that triangle, open this pocket right here, and you want to fold that inside. Okay, and now you want to fold this whole thing in half like so. And you want to fold this part in half. Okay, so that's the barrel and the body of the gun, stock and everything. And now the magazine, you want to fold the magazine in half as well. As you can see here, fold that in half. Okay, and now you're going to make the stock. So you see where this crease line is? So here's the magazine, here's the first crease line right there, and that second crease line, as you can see, I'm gonna fold right where that is. So open the top right here, oops, here, kind of fold that down together and fold it back up like this. So this piece is underneath as well. Okay. Okay, then you want to fold the stock out like so. Then you want to flip it over to the back side, and you see this edge right here, this back edge, you want to fold that down like so. And then you can also fold this edge out a little bit so it's a little more squared out if you like. Okay, and this is supposed to be a wire stock, so fold down the edges so that it represents the wire stock, of course. Okay, I think here. And the back as well. Okay, so yeah, it's not a close stock like that, but it's supposed to be a wire stock. Yeah, and now you see this edge right here, so flip it over to the front side right there, and kind of see that front portion, just fold that front portion down all the way to that back corner right there. Like so, and you see where that crease line is, that first crease line, gonna zigzag fold right there. Okay, so fold this magazine in, then fold it back down like that. Okay, and then you want to fold in the back edge. Okay, so open up the magazine and then fold that in. Okay, and close it back up. And now you see where this edge is. So now you're going to make the barrel. So fold this whole thing in where this edge is, right there in the front. Okay, and zigzag fold it back out like that. Okay, then fold up the whole barrel. like so, and flip it over to the back side and bring this whole edge down to the bottom. Okay, fold this whole barrel in half. That, and back side, just drag it, just twist it down. Okay, so here, yeah, and then you can roll out the barrel. So yeah, here is my mp3008. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.